we're really, really good, even if you have one shingle that's damaged, getting your whole entire roof replaced. If you get that first insurance scope and they're like, we're only replacing one shingle, don't get discouraged, because we're going to work on everything we can to take that one shingle to get your whole thing replaced, if that's what's rightfully owed to you as a customer. Our whole goal is, if you have roof damage, to work with the insurance and get the insurance to cover it, so all you're responsible for is your deductible. So a lot of people, whenever it comes to insurance, I don't feel like a lot of the customers know how to stand their ground, because insurances will be like, oh yeah, this is what we found. Tell them you want your scope or your estimate. You have the right as a customer to ask for that. I think that customers get scared of them or intimidated. Oh, well, I don't know insurance, so I'm not going to call them. And I'm like, no, it's okay. I will tell you what to say. We've got Kimba, so we've got financing, payment plans. We have a lot of other options that if it comes to that, but we try everything that we can to keep it from getting there. Whenever we start off a claim with someone, is one of our representatives will be there for that adjuster meeting. So you have somebody who does this every day right there with that adjuster. You never know when they might miss something or they may not see anything, and 2 pairs of eyes is better than 1. Her house is very old. Her shingles look very old. I'm pretty sure they're discontinued, and Ohio is a matching state. So therefore, if we pull that ITEL and they say, hey, there's no matching, guess what they have to do? You gotta do the whole thing. It is the insurance company, if it's from, anything that's covered under a policy, that's your right as their customer to say, hey, I'm paying for this. I need this. Just like if you get in a car accident, you know what I mean? You pay for that. So if you get into a car accident, you're not going to not have a car.